Thrifting fashions, try-ons and vlogs. Poppy K thrifting fashion vlogs. Thrifting fashions, try-ons and vlogs. Poppy K, subscribe, like, comment and share.
Well, hello. Today we are going thrifting. I've literally just finished work and I'm going to take you to a new charity shop in our town. And it is St Richard's Hospice, but it's the outlet. It's where the old St Richard's Hospice used to be, but the new one is a really big one. It's we used to have a co-op, and it's there. So I'm going to take you to the outlet and see what we can find. There's empty shops everywhere. Really sad. Well, hello, that is me back. It was so busy in there I couldn't even get my camera out. So I'm going to show you what I picked up. Now, in this little charity shop, it is a outlet. So as I said earlier on in the video, the supermarket, it used to be an old supermarket and they've put loads of different shops in there. So I will take you to that place at some point. But I thought, we'll go into this one. Hopefully next time I go in, I will be able to show you around a bit more. But they've got bins with kids stuff in. And then they've got this whole area of bins where it's 75p each or 10 things for £5. So I went for the 10 things for £5. One thing I did pick up at some point. Let me just grab it. I picked up this leather John Rocha leather baguette, so that's the sort of stuff that you can get in there. But anyway, I'll show you what I've got. Mainly hats, because my take on a lot of the runway shows that I've seen this year, and I have the magazine, the French collection magazine from Vogue. I get that every season, every twice a year for the fashion weeks, and in there, to me, accessories seems to be the thing that is big, and I'm very glad because that is an easy way to update your outfit. So let's get right on in. As I say, I picked up 10 items for £5, so not very expensive, but you had to do a bit of digging, so I will show you what I picked up. Firstly, I picked up this velvet Baker Boy hat. I shall pop her on. I did try and do my hair so I could put hats on. I promise I'll have to lower my ponytail a little bit. But yeah, so this is what I got. It's a lovely velvet black Baker Boy hat. It's quilted in the top, but it's got a real nice look to it. So I picked up that. I picked this up. Now this is a bucket hat, but I literally just turned the top up, and to me it's got a bit of a sailor kind of look. I'll show you. So as you can see, it's got like a sailor hat type of look to it. So I think that's really cool. I'll show you what it looks like as a bucket hat. So that is it as a bucket hat. I really don't suit bucket hats, but I liked it. So you can turn it up and it will be a sailor hat. That one. I picked this one up for the winter. It's a pillbox style hat, fur. I love this. My husband's not so keen. This is going to look great when we go, hopefully not next year, but maybe the year after. We're looking at going on a river cruise and doing all the Christmas fairs. I think this would look amazing. I've got a nice stole, big coat, boots, the lot. Love it. I think it's cool, and he'll warm up to it. I do have a fail in here, and that's this hat. I thought it looked interesting. However, it looks awful on, and When I was shopping, as you saw, I had my hair up in my space bun, so I couldn't try any of the hats on. But never mind. I will probably try and just turn this into a beanie, I think. But yeah, that was a big fail. Another fur hat. This one is a gent's hat, and it's got a really nice sort of look to it. So I'll pop that one on. It's a bit like a flying hat, but make it manly, you know? So I picked that one up as well. And then I absolutely love this shape of hat. This one is actually still brand new with tags and was originally $9.99. So basically I got all of these hats for half the price of this. So anyway, this is what I picked up. As you can see, I just love this style of hat. It's kind of baker boy, paper boy, but a bit military style, like a American military style shape. And I absolutely love that style of hat. So I've got several hats in this shape. Instead of baseball caps, I prefer this shape. I don't know why, I just do. So I got that one. And on the same vein, I picked up this one, which is like a camel colour. So not necessarily with this outfit, but that's the hat. It's really nice felt fabric. So I picked that one up. And then I also picked up a couple of head warmers, but I haven't got those out, so I'll go and get those. So there's that one and this one. Again, perfect for the winter time. And last but by no means least, I have been on a real kind of jester, circus, cabaret, theatrical, 1800s, steampunk kick at the moment, and absolutely loving the aesthetic that gives. And the boas that you can use, I've got a couple here. I've got the turquoise one, which I picked up from Vinted, and then I've got another one which is like a lilac one. I love them. They're literally just fabric, but in the bins was this knitted woolen red kind of boa, and I love the fact that it is a bit of a scarf, but it can give you that clown collar without looking too clowny, if you like. So if you have a jumper on, you can put this on and it just adds something a little bit extra. But also, just a little bit of a hint or a tip. If you are enjoying that type of look, I picked these up from where I work at Tesco, and they're literally just headbands. However, I think they would be great if you just put them on. You could have them on the end of a jacket. You could do them into some trousers and then billow them out so it gives it more of a ballooned effect. But yeah, so if you find any sort of scrunchies or anything like that and you are liking the clownish look, definitely recommend. It's a little bit more decorative than an elastic band, and you can wear them in your hair, on your wrist, on your legs, anywhere. So there's a little bit of a tip for you. So that is everything that I picked up. Do you want me to show you my outfit of the day? Of course you do. I've got on my dungarees. I have got on my studded boots. I picked these up from Vinted, and they have got the red sole. They have Louboutin on them, but I don't think they are real leather, by the way. But I love them, and when I stop wearing them, I'm going to be very upset because I may have to buy a pair of Louboutins like this, because I have worn the bejesus out of these and I just don't want them to fade. But anyway, so I've got those. My dungarees, I have got on a shirt that I have upcycled in the past. I mean, if you have been a follower of mine for a long time, you'll remember when I did this. I think this must be about 4 or 5 years ago, maybe a bit more than that, don't know. Little tie, it's got like a Chanel number 5. And this jacket that I had, it was a long boxy jacket and I was never wearing it. So I chopped it and now I am loving how it looks. So yeah, that is what I picked up from the charity shop. I hope you enjoyed that. Next time I will try and make it a little bit better too. I know that at the end of the month there is a new charity shop opening up that I am going to. So keep your eyes peeled for that. I have got some tips and tricks coming up. I am going to do a little bit of an archive haul. We've got fashion shows that we're going to be watching and all kinds of things. Interviews, hopefully. I need to get in contact with some people, so bear with. but I want to do a few little interviews with people. And that's it, really. So I just want to say thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. And I will see you on the next one. And remember, the world is your catwalk. And I'll see you on the next one. Bye!